It dawned on me the other day that I created a video about bulk create in Magic Write. Never did a video from Magic Write. What? Why would we do that? Let's talk about it real quick. So before we get into Magic Write and the beauty of it, let me just say, if you are first time viewer, then get used to us sharing these educational videos, because in our head, this info shouldn't be hidden. We don't have to be gatekeepers. There's enough pie for all of us to be out here and do whatever it is we need to do. So if you like that kind of attitude, that kind of atmosphere, that community, we highly invite you to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Now, Magic Write. So this is very much like ChatGPT. Now, this is Canva's version of a AI tool to help you create original content, right? And I personally was using this before I even tried ChatGPT, and at this moment, it is now part of my daily plan that I am going between the two, depending on what I'm working on and what I am creating. So just like ChatGPT, you can use Magic Write to create recipes, quick blog posts, list, whatever you're needing, it can do that for you. So to get it done, you click on the little crosshair there. We're going to click on Magic Write to select it, and it gives you an idea of what you could create, right? Just give it 5 or more words or a very thoughtful prompt to help you create the content. So I am going to create a short story, funny story about a brown rabbit that loves cheese. Rabbits don't really like cheese, but what can I tell you? It's where my mind went. What can I say? All right, so it's speaking about is like, hey, once upon a time, there was a brown rabbit named Benny. Well, that's cute, right? So it doesn't take much to get there. Like anything with AI, I highly suggest that you read it for what you want it to convey for your voice as a brand, as a writer, what have you, and that you edit it. I have never used any of these creations right out of the box. It's just not where I thrive. But what can I tell you? Now, you're saying, okay, great, so you can do a story. What else can it do? Well, maybe you want it to give you, share 5 reasons to hire a wedding planner. Maybe you're having a moment where you can't think of what you want it to say for your blog post or for a social media post. Magic Write can help you get there. So here it is. They've got 5 reasons why you should hire a wedding photographer. Look at that. That's beautiful. Again, I always suggest checking the content for like the way you want to say it. Now I have Grammarly working in the background, so another AI tool. But I always make sure that it sounds like me. If anything comes out really canned, it's gonna look funny. And people are gonna know, okay, that came out of AI. There's nothing worse than incorrect words, misspelled words, funny grammar. I have seen it in blog posts. There are too many tools, too many AI tools for that to not have proper grammar. So check that. But Magic Write is my friend. It should be your friend too. Add it into your daily task buster system, because AI is where it is. And AI is not going to replace our jobs, but it will replace people who choose not to adopt AI. Personal opinion, that's all I'm saying. All right, we're done for this video. We'll catch you in the next.